Hello everyone, this is my review of the Everyman Jack Amber Hydrating Men's Body Wash. This body wash has a bit of an earthy smell to it. It is not very strong and potent, but it's very subtle and nice. It's not overpowering, so that's nice about it. It lathers up pretty well. It goes on smooth. It and hydrates your skin very well. It cleans nice as a soap product, so I highly recommend this product. And let me show you some of it here as I use it. This product gives you a nice cleaning, and like I said, it hydrates your skin and makes you feel good and smell good. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.